Hello everyone, today we will compare Monarch Money and Copilot Money, two popular personal finance management tools. So, Monarch Money is a comprehensive financial planning app that helps users track spending, set budgets, and achieve financial goals with features like detailed reporting and investment tracking. And on the other hand, Copilot Money offers a user friendly approach to managing personal finance, providing insights into spending habits, budgeting tools, and real time transaction tracking. So, in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Monarch Money and Copilot Money, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when we talk about budgeting, Monarch Money offers customizable categories and real-time tracking, and Copilot offers AI-driven insights and predictive budgeting. When we talk about the goal setting, both platforms have it in their platform, they offer it. And also with investment tracking, Monarch Money offers comprehensive portfolio management, while Copilot Money only offers basic investment tracking. When we talk about bill tracking, as I said earlier, both platforms have it. And when it comes to account syncing, Monarch Money syncs with thousands of financial institutions, while Copilot Money syncs with major banks and credit cards. And when we talk about the mobile app availability, Monarch Money integrates iOS and Android in their platform, while Copilot Money is, limited in iOS only. Lastly, when it comes to security, Monarch Money offers bank level encryption, two-factor authentication. Same thing with Copilot Money, but Copilot Money have biometric login. So yes, that's it for the simple features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing. So when we talk about free tier or free plan, both platforms doesn't have any free plan, so you have to pay to access them. And when we talk about their monthly plan for their premium subscription, Monarch Money offers $10 per month, while Copilot Money offers them for $9 per month. When we talk about annual plan, Monarch Money offers almost $90 a year, while Copilot Money only offers $70 a year. So when we talk about pre-trial, yes, they have a pre-trial, but Monarch Money only offers them for 7 days, while Copilot Money offers them up to 14 days. So after that days, you need to pay to access it. So yes, that's it for the simple pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to another section, which is performance. And when we talk about the speed of syncing accounts, so Monarch Money is very fast. Same thing with Copilot. And when it comes to app stability, both platforms have it also. They have very high app stability. When it comes to user interface, Monarch Money is intuitive and clean, and Copilot is sleek and modern. And lastly, for customer satisfaction, both platforms have high customer satisfaction. So when it comes to performance, they are both very good. So now let's go directly to another section, which is the customer and support. So when it comes to email support, yes, both platforms have it. All of the platforms, I think. And when it comes to live chat support, they don't have it. But when it comes to Help Center, Monarch Money is a comprehensive and well-organized platform, while Copilot Money is very extensive and user-friendly. And we talk about response time. Both platforms typically respond within a day. And lastly, for community forums, Monarch Money have it, while Copilot Money don't have any community forums. So yes, that's it for the simple customer support comparison. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, and customer support comparison. Now let's go directly to the pros and cons. And let's start with Monarch Money. And when it comes to pros, Monarch Money can tailor your budget to fit your specific needs with detailed customization options, allowing for precise control over your financial planning. It also monitors your entire investment portfolio with ease, including stocks, bonds, and other assets, providing a clear picture of your financial health. They also offers in-depth analysis and insights into your spending and saving habits, helping you make informed financial decisions. And lastly, people can have an access to finance on any device, ensuring flexibility and inconvenience or convenience for users who switch between or use multiple devices. And when it comes to cons, Monarch Money monthly and annual plans are higher compared to some competitors, which might be a consideration for budget-conscious users. Also, the users must commit to a paid plan after the trial period, which might not suit those looking for a free option or wanting to test the app longer without commitment. So that's it for the pros and cons of Monarch Money. And now let's go directly to the Copilot pros and cons. When it comes to pros, Copilot utilize advanced AI to gain insights to make better financial decisions with predictive budgeting tools that adapt to your spending habits. And they also have a visually appealing and intuitive user experience, making financial management more engaging and less of a chore. And they also save more with a lower annual subscription cost compared to many competitors, making it a budget-friendly option. And lastly, they offers up to 2 weeks free trial to really test the app before committing, giving users ample time to explore its features. So that's it for the Copilot Pros. And when it comes to cons, Copilot limited capabilities for those who need a detailed investment management, which might not meet the needs of users with complex portfolios. And also, they are only restricted to iOS users, leaving Android users without access, which can be a limitation for those using non-Apple devices. So that's it for the Copilot pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start that by discussing who should choose Monarch Money. So as you can see, Monarch Money is referable for someone with multiple investments who need a clear and detailed overview of their portfolio performance. Also perfect for individuals who like to categorize their expenses meticulously and tailor their financial planning to specific needs. And lastly, beneficial for households with a mix of device types or individuals who switch between different operating systems. So yes, if you have all of this quality, Monarch Money is the choice for you. And for the people who should choose Copilot Money, so Copilot Money is referable for someone who prefer a hands-off approach to budgeting and like to rely on technology for financial guidance. And also suitable for those who appreciate good decision and intuitive, visually appealing user experience. And it's also excellent for users wanting a premium financial management tool without a higher price tag. And lastly, it is perfect for individuals deeply integrated into the Apple ecosystems who prefer apps tailored to iOS. So if you have all of this quality, yes, Copilot is the choice for you. And yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms, Monarch Money and Copilot Money, offer robust tools for managing your finances, but they cater to slightly different needs. If you need a detailed investment tracking and use multiple platforms, Monarch Money might be the better choice. But on the other hand, if you prefer an AI-driven budgeting insights and a sleek interface, Copilot Money could be ideal for you. So don't forget to try out their free trials to see which one fits your needs the best. And if you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparison. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you to choose the correct option. And also that's it for this video. See you in the next one.